Okay, so this is number 7 of, I think it's 6D. So we're going to solve this. We are given oh boy, theta FF. Okay, so A is the force P such that the acceleration is equal to 0. For letter B, the force P such that the acceleration is equal to 0.75 meters per second squared. Okay? And we are given M, 20 kilograms. Theta is 30. Frictional force is given. That's nice. 80. Okay. Okay, so how do we solve this? The summation of the forces along the x-axis, okay? For those who are still wondering, okay, let's make that look horizontal and vertical. There. This is the x and this is the y, okay? So look at that. Weight Fg will have a vertical and horizontal component, and P will have a vertical and horizontal component, or rather along the x-axis, along the plane, and perpendicular to the plane. So the summation is, this is along the plane. Okay? Is equal to what? P cosine of 30 degrees minus, okay, this is positive because the box will be accelerating in this direction, okay? Minus the frictional force, which is going always negative because it's always going against the direction, minus the component of Fg sine 30. Okay? And solving for P. P is equal to, move that to the denominator, cosine of 30 degrees. And what's the numerator? Move these. It becomes FF plus Fg cosine sine of 30 degrees. Okay, so we have that. That is what our number A, right? This is equal to 0 because the acceleration is 0. Okay? So P is equal to FF plus mg sine 30 degrees divided by cosine of 30 degrees, right? Is equal to, FF is given 80 newtons plus m is 20 kilograms, 9.8 meters per second squared, times 0.5, which is sine of 30, divided by cosine of 30. I don't know what it is offhand, but I do know the answer is going to be, P is going to be 206 newtons. Okay, that's for the first one. In the second one, we have the same. The summation of the forces again along the x. So P cosine 30 degrees minus the frictional force. Yes, minus Fg sine of 30. But this time it's going to be equal to ma because we're given the acceleration here. There's an a. Right? Solving for P. P is, again, the denominator will be cosine of 30 degrees. So we have f of f minus f of g sine of 30 minus, right? No. plus ma. Okay? So, letter B. P is now equal to ma plus ff plus mg sine of 30 divided by cosine of 30. And we're going to substitute the values for that. Again, it is m is 12, no, m is 20 kilograms. Acceleration is given at 0.05 meters per second squared plus 80. Well, basically all of that, right? Plus 20 kilograms plus 9.8 times 0.5, the whole thing divided by cosine of 30. And the answer to this is 223 newtons. That's your P.